In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom field for injury descriptions in GoHighLevel. This is perfect if you work with clinics, legal intake, or wellness practices and need a clear, consistent place to capture detailed notes about a contact's injuries and symptoms. By the end, you'll have a reusable field that can appear on contact records and forms, making your data more organized and actionable. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel account and opening the location where you want this field available. From the left-hand menu, go to Settings. This is where you control account-wide configuration, so it's the right place to create fields you want to use across forms, pipelines, and contact records. Inside Settings, select Custom Fields. This page lists everything you've already created and is where you'll add new ones. Click Add Field to begin creating a new field. When GoHighLevel asks which type you want, choose Multiline. A multi-line field gives you a larger text area, which is much better for longer narratives than a single-line text box. It allows patients or team members to share more context in one place without feeling cramped. Click Next to move to the setup screen. In the name box, type Injury Description. Keep the name clean and consistent, since this is exactly how the field will appear to your team and in builders. Clear naming makes reporting and automation easier later. Set the object to contact. This is important. Choosing contact ensures the field is stored on the contact record and can be used on forms and surveys that create or update contacts. It also makes the field accessible to workflows and pipelines that rely on contact data. Optionally, choose the additional info group. Groups are simply how fields are organized on the contact profile and in the form builder. Placing this in additional info keeps medical or case details separate from core identity fields like name and email, which helps your team scan records faster. For placeholder, type. Describe your injuries and symptoms. A good placeholder guides people on what to write. You can keep it concise while hinting at useful details, such as where it hurts, when it started, severity, or anything that aggravates or relieves the pain. Finally, click Save. Your new injury description field is now available to add to contact views, forms, and surveys. As you build automations, you can reference this field to trigger follow-ups or route leads to the right team members. That's it. You've created a structured, easy-to-use place for detailed injury notes, improving both data quality and team workflows.